We are in Blackpool today, and we are just off Topping Street. We are in a commercial unit with then a dilapidated structure up above, which used to be used for storage facilities. The two units will be fully refurbished and put on the market, and then the upper stories have now had planning approval for 6 residential apartments. When we first start designing something like this, we always do quite a detailed due diligence structural survey. We get to grips with the existing characteristics. How can we maintain as much history of this particular site as we can, and even within the bricks and the masonry elements, there's a lot of history. For this particular project, we've actually provided a detailed set of construction drawings, and along with the construction drawings we've provided a detailed schedule of works, and then from the appointment of a contractor we're then fully involved making sure that the works being carried out comply with building regulations, and then also making sure that the works are satisfactory and in line with what we set out to do from the offset. There's been some really sort of structural alterations upstairs. We've demolished all the existing chimneys that used to go right from the ground floor right the way up through to the roof. They've been now taken out, and then there's some serious structural alterations that have been proposed. There's been some new steel beams to make sure that the building's safe, and then also for the layouts that have been proposed, we've had to also install some additional steel work. So as part of our design and development brief, we've looked at the sustainability elements and how we can improve, 1, the thermal performance, and 2, the energy efficiencies of the development. We have implemented additional insulation to all the external walls, which will reduce the energy consumption of these apartments. All the apartments will have their own individual electric water heaters. It's a really sustainable way of heating. It's moving away from gas, which the government are trying to reduce our fossil fuel footprint and try and meet the reduction in carbon emissions. And we've made sure that the mechanical and electrical elements are really energy efficient. We come out at least once a week, and then on a daily basis I get phone calls from the contractor just making sure that any queries on site and things like that on behalf of the client, which just alleviates a lot of stress for the client basically. I love seeing design come to reality, and that to me really gives me the buzz and excitement for any development that we do, whether that's small scale affordable housing right the way through to luxury living, and kind of seeing that design come to life, it really does show, and it really excites me and what gives my passion for what we do and what we enjoy doing.